voltmeter reading is 21 division. It is 21 division. It's clear. And this is ammeter reading is this is 18 division. 18 division and 21 division. So that I am going to write. Determine the value of R using small r equals to V upon I for each set correct up to 3 significant figure. Tabulate all 5 sets of capital R, capital V, capital I and small r with proper unit. It's clear. So see here, you determine the small r and that you have to determine up to 3 significant figure, means the total digits should be 3. So that I am going to show you here. In the first case, it is how much? If you see here, in the first case, here small r in ohm. So V upon I, it is V upon I. So 1.65 divided by 0.56. So it is 2.946. So you will write 2.95. That will be 3 significant figure. 95. Then second one, 1.45 upon 0.48. 1. Divided by 0.48. So it is 3.02. 3.02. Then third, 1.30 divided by 0.44. It is 2.95. Then fourth, 1.20 divided by 0.38. It is 3.16. 3.16. And then 1.05 divided by 0.36. It is 2.92. 2.92. All values are in ohm. Unit already I have written at the top. It's clear. So now you can see here. Here tabulate all 5 sets of this. So any one of the reverb reading to the visiting examiner, that you will show in the board examination. Now point number 8. Find R naught, the mean of 5 values of R, and record its value in your answer booklet up to 1 decimal place with proper unit. So see here, that I am going to do here. You can see, you write down, record the mean. So R naught will be equal to 2.95 plus 3.02 plus 2.95 plus 3.16 plus 2.92 divided by 5. So here R naught comes out 3.0 ohm. R naught is 3.0 ohm. Now after this you have to calculate K. R naught upon 75. What is 75? 75 centimeter. And record its value correct up to 1 decimal place with proper unit. What will be the unit of K? R naught is in ohm, 75 is in centimeter, so it is ohm per centimeter. It's clear? Which is the resistance per unit length. So that I am going to find out here. So K equals to R naught upon 75, that is 3 upon 75. So it is equal to 3 divided by 75. It is 0.04. It is 0.04. You have to record it correct up to one decimal place. That was mistake in the question paper, so that you leave it. You write it as 0.04 ohm per centimeter, or you can write it as 4.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 ohm per centimeter. This way you will write. So this much you have to write in the experiment. No other thing will be asked, will be written, because it has not been asked in the question paper. It is clear? The things which have been asked in the question paper, you have to write only about those things. No need to write any aim, apparatus used, formula used, no diagram, nothing. Only this much which has been asked in the question paper, which is mentioned in the question paper. You will write only about those points. This question was not based on the graph. In the next experiment, I will explain the same type of experiment with the graph.